my little Syma X20 Mini-drone. Got it all charged up here, been charging it up for a while. So, you guys missed it earlier. We had a lot of thrills and spills. Alright, cool, we got it lit up. Alrighty, I think I got it dialed in. Hey, this is for Ken here. Hey Ken, glad that you're back home and on the mend. I just got started in drone flying, and so I got this little guy to practice out indoors while the weather is kind of crappy here in Colorado. So I got this, and I've got a Bugs 3, and I've got a DJI Phantom 3 standard. So let's give this guy a try, okay? Alright, here we go. Alright, now we got it initialized. And let's see if I could get this to fly without... Okay, alright. Oh, yeah. Holy cow, it likes them. Oh, yeah, oh. Ha ha. There we go. So let's get my grabber and let's try that again, shall we? Alright. Okay, got my little grabber here. Alrighty. Got my little remote here. Trying to dial this in to... Oh boy. Yeah, it's kind of a little on the sensitive side. It's a little tricky to use, but hey, look at that. You got it to... Alright, this is kind of fun to play with. Getting my piloting skills honed in. Oi, oi, oi. The furnace just kicked in, so probably thinking, wow, that's pretty boring flying, but I'm in my office, and not a whole lot of room in here, but it's helping me to kind of hone my skills here. As you can see, it kind of likes to wander a bit. This little guy's got about a 5-minute flight time. Oh, we're just about, alright, let's see if I can get it to set down and there it is. It's out of juice. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed that. That was a lot of fun to practice with. I'm going to do some more practice in the days to come. And when the weather gets a little better outside, I mean, it's nice and sunny out. It's just that it's cold. And I know cold is not well, it's bad for the electronics and for the battery, so I know about that. And it's a little breezy out there, so probably in about a month or so, when we start getting back to 60, 70 degree weather and less wind, I'll get out the Phantom and I'll give that a whirl and we'll get some video out for you. So until then, get well soon, Ken. Oh, I want to give a shout out to Lazada. They're like the Amazon of the Philippines, and I've got a little bone to pick with them. It seems that my future stepson, BJ, ordered a drone from them back on December 1st, and here it is about the middle of January, and he still hasn't gotten it. That's BJ Gingoy in Santa Rosa, Philippines. I think that's in Laguna, if I'm correct. So, you folks out there at Lazada, if you hear about this, please get this drone out to him. He's a little kid. He's 13 years old, and he saw me flying my Bugs 3, and he's really excited about flying a drone. So, until then, catch you guys next time, alright? Bye-bye.